Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got an important update for all BMW owners, especially if you have a 5 Series or 7 Series from 2024 or 2025. BMW has just issued a recall on nearly 1,000 models due to a potential steering issue that could impact your driving safety. So, what's going on? Well, it seems there's a problem with the steering spindle's universal joint. This part might not meet BMW's standards, and in certain driving situations, it could get damaged. If that happens, steering your car could become much harder, which obviously increases the risk of an accident. Luckily, BMW caught this early. There have been no reported accidents or injuries so far. BMW has identified that this issue could affect around 1% of the vehicles involved in the recall. The affected models include the 2024 to 2025 5 Series and 7 Series, including the 530i, 540i, i5, and i7 variants, among others. BMW first spotted the problem back in June 2024 during a routine check at one of their assembly plants. After finding more damaged steering spindles, they decided to issue the recall. Dealers have already been alerted, and BMW will notify owners by mail starting on November 15, 2024. If you own one of the affected models, don't worry. BMW is replacing the faulty steering spindle universal joint free of charge at any authorized dealership. Remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with all the latest automotive news and updates.